2, 1, go! Oh shoot. Lifting off! Yeah! Hello everybody, welcome back to Turtle Studio, and this is how to build a rocket. Now these are the ingredients that you need. 18 slime blocks, 1 piston, 4 sticky pistons, and 5 observers. And these are some optional items. 4 obsidian, which will be used to stop your rocket from picking up the ground, or you could just remove the ground underneath it. And a block of your choice for the tip of the rocket. So let's make the rocket. Start with this foundation, and you gotta repeat that on every single spot, all through here. And now, as you can see, I have already placed the obsidian, but you can also just have there be no block like that. Okay? And next, you can use a temporary block to get up here if you're in survival. But then you place your observer so the red dot is facing up. Next, you need to place a piston, 2 slime blocks. Now hop down. Now you place 2 observers, 2 sticky pistons on top of each other. Now you place 2 slime blocks on top, like so. Then you can come around and do the exact same thing that you did over there. And now your rocket is finished. Unless you would like to add the tip to the rocket, which you just come up here, you can place that. And to make your rocket lift off, you just gotta place a block right in the center, like so. And it will proceed to go to the height limit, which is a pretty high place. Or at least until it goes out of your render distance. Alright. Thank you for watching. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.